Welcome back. We are with Dr. Ann Campbell, and she is with Money Magic Inc., www.moneymagic.com. And we thought this was a good time of year to reevaluate your finances. If something didn't work for you in 2007, a great time to make a change. And Dr. Mack, first of all, I've always heard this, and it has worked for me in the past, but I didn't keep up with it. Pay yourself first. What do you mean by that?
Make yourself important. The more automatic, the better. If you can have something deducted from your paycheck at work, particularly like a 401k, do it. I mean, it's tax deductible, tax deferred, and if there's matching money where you work, that's called free money. So you don't want to pass that up. But if you don't have it at work, have it at your bank so that you can have your bank draft a certain amount out every month going into a savings account.
Is there a certain percentage that you would recommend if we don't have a 401k and we're just doing it ourselves out of our paycheck? Is there a certain percentage that we should draft into an account?
Well, I think it's different for everyone. You have to look at your situation, but you want to at least make it realistic, because if you make it too much, you've been on a diet where you get real strict and then you go crashing off of it. Make it realistic. Make it so that you can do something else. So if you start with smaller amounts, and people get excited when they see that grow.
Oh, yeah.
And then you can add more amounts because you say, yeah, my money's working while I'm working.
So
hey,
take baby steps.
Baby steps.
Okay.
Exactly.
All right.
Do it. Just do it. Do
so
something.
These are some of Dr. Mack's saving tips. First of all, know why you're saving.
Listen, is it green fees or shopping sprees? Is it his tools or my jewels? Or mainly you're going to be saving for retirement and college and things like that, but still also if you have motivation, you're going to save more if you know what it is. If you have children in the family, talk to them about a vacation or something, then they know why they're doing without something because they voted for the vacation.
All right, make it automatic, and we just talked about that.
Absolutely. Drafts through the bank or, doing it at work.
Consider online savings accounts.
Oh, let your mouse do the walking. So just put your money where your mouse is. You say click and go online banks. Now if you go to bankrate.com, they will give you the rates at the online banks. They will tell you those, most of the big online banks are FDIC insured, so they're safe. It's just getting into the habit. A lot of people don't trust them yet, but you can trust them.
Okay, make it regular. That's what you're talking about with that.
Do it like every week or every 2 weeks or every month.
And we've talked about realistic amount.
Realistic amount.
It's like, for example, when you're trying to lose weight, you don't want to say, I'm going to lose 100 pounds or I'm never going to eat sugar again. Those types of comments fail.
I think the real thing is just do it. Save something. Get the habit. Savings habit is a really good thing.
All right. I'm going to be putting all these tips on arkansasmatters.com on my live shot webpage. So if you've missed any of this, you can go to that, and also Dr. Mack's contact information as well. All right. We're going to be back with more of spending tips and also investing tips when we come back. But first, we're going to hear from Mike Francis in the weather.